why the president was not able to attend today?
Well, it's only natural for the doctors to tell him to take a week rest. You know, last year I also had diverticulitis. I had it twice, December of 24 and January of 2025. Masakit yun. And I had downtime of a week for each episode of that time.
Pero anong
So now I'm fully recovered, and I think in the next few weeks the president will be fully recovered.
anong advice sa kanya, yung latest advice sa kanya ng Dr. Ios?
Konting pahinga lang. Just like any other normal individual.
Wala mo ng public
I'm sure pag
engagement.
kayo pumunta sa doktor at masakit ang tiyan nyo, sasabihin sa inyo, mag-rest din kayo ng 1 week.
Wala mo ng public engagement, Ios.
I think meron pa rin siya. If I'm not mistaken, yeah.
Yes, later sa dawning of kay General Duterte, si President ng Pagdili.
Supposed to be, but I'm not sure kung matutuloy yun.
But there's nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kung hindi matuloy yun, it has nothing to do with the president's health. It is only, but I think it's ready for that. If at all, baka meron pang konting gusot between the General Torre or something to that effect.
Pero yes, sabi ng doktor niya, sabi rin naman ni Yusay Castro, ang hinay-hinay ang presidente at nagpahinga.
Yeah, precisely.
Pero apparently, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung
Tuloy-tuloy pa
private
rin.
meetings pa rin.